Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to clear chat history on Telegram using the latest updated method. Whether you want to clean up your conversations for privacy or just declutter your chats, this process is simple and only takes a few seconds. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats. Next, navigate to the conversation where you want to clear the chat history. This can be a private chat, a group, or even a channel. Just tap to open it. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Tap on those three dots to open more options for that conversation. From the menu that appears, find and tap on Clear History. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your action. This is because clearing chat history will remove all messages from that conversation on your side. Go ahead and tap Confirm, and just like that, the chat history will be cleared. It's important to note that this action only removes messages from your device unless you choose additional options that may appear, depending on your chat type. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Telegram chat history. This is a great way to keep your app organized and protect your privacy, especially if you're sharing your device with others or just prefer a cleaner inbox. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tips and tutorials to get the most out of your apps.